Now we take our one piece of Dacron tape, adhesive back Dacron, same material that was used on the corner. I've taken and exposed about 1.5 inches of adhesive and folded the paper back. What we're going to do now is take this strip and lay it along the edge. First, it makes it a little easier to weight that edge down. There's our line. Come back about 1/8 of an inch from the line with your straight edge. Now we're going to lay our tape over the top, line it up with the edge of that line that you drew. Come down here and we're going to put about 3/4 of that onto the work surface of the tape and stick it down. Alright, now we want to get this lined up along that edge. Pick this tape up, peel back some paper about 6 inches or so, put a crease in it, put a little tension on it. I'm not pulling hard, just enough, and I'm going to lower it down, and about midpoint I'm going to tack down and then tack down, and all these little pecks. That's all we're doing right now. Just go ahead and peel more tape back, another 6 inches. Bring it down, line it up to your pencil mark, about midpoint. Tap along the edge. Alright, keep going down. And you just keep going until you get to the other end. One more. Now, before we get to the end here, this is now we want to leave this open. So let's take our scissors at this point and bring this down and crease that paper right there. And you'll see right here it's angled. The leading edge, the folded back, is angled. Go ahead and snip to that angle, just like that. Come in here and fold back about 1.5 inches or so, about half of what's left. Tap, and just going to follow through. Now we're lined up with that. Go ahead and tap that down a little bit more. Take your burnishing tool and hold down and right just along the right edge. Cut about probably about 1/2 inch, or about 12 millimeters up. We're just going to slice that. Pick this tape off, and if you peel at a low angle, you're going to pull less material up. It'll release easier. Slide your knife underneath just to pick up your fabric and the tape. This is pretty tacky stuff. I like to fold it away from the other, like that. Fold it over. Okay. And burnish once more. Now we have created the leading edge spar pocket all the way down, and the reinforcement in the tip. Go ahead and peel your tape back. Set it on your work surface because you're going to use it again on the other half of the sail. When you use an X-Acto knife to pick with, make sure the blade's away from you. Alright, that takes care of that leading edge. Now we'll continue on. Go ahead and make up your next one.